Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Bill the Drone Reviewer meets Rick Smith from Drone Valley, flying. We'll have that coming right up. Last Sunday, Valerie and I had the pleasure of being able to spend some time with Rick Smith from Drone Valley as he was visiting near the east coast of Florida. So last Sunday, we drove over there to meet him. Spent about an hour or so with him, had enough time for Rick to put a clip together, which you were able to see, and I'll put a link to it in the description, and also the previous video that I just did, a clip as well. Also had the opportunity to fly. Now again, we were under a time crunch because Rick was going to meet his family for dinner that night, but I was able to get up a drone, so let's go ahead and roll that clip right now.
What was up with that? I'm impressed. Its hold altitude, it's incredibly stable. It's a little bit sloppy when it slows down though. You notice when you go forward and then stop, it gets pretty sloppy. See how it stopped? Yeah. What's interesting is that it doesn't affect the gimbal. So the gimbal stays rock solid even when it does that little jerk coming back, which is pretty impressive. See the display, you hit that button right there. This top one here.
Oh, the top one.
Yeah, and that'll actually put it. You should see.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got that. Wow. See, one of the things we have to contend with here in Florida is wind. Yep. And you know, a lot of times I want to go out at night and I just can't. It's just too darn windy.
I don't want to say it, but I think this one might be a little bit more stable because of its weight than the Mavic.
Very impressed, Ray.
You like it?
Very, very, very impressed.
All right, nice.
Absolutely loved my brief introduction to the Evo. One of the things that impressed me was the controller. Now the controller, there was no phone on it, there was no app. I was flying it just with the controller, which absolutely was impressive. I did like that. It was very responsive. I really found it to be very maneuverable, very easy to fly. So I'm looking forward again to hopefully getting my hands on an Evo and doing some more testing with it. And I'm looking forward again to seeing Rick. Now Rick indicated that he'll be coming down to Florida again sometime and being on the East Coast, and we'll be able to spend some more time flying. And I know we love being able to put clips together, but really, absolutely, positively love being able to find a great place to fly. And where we were able to fly was fantastic. It was a great park. It was definitely quiet. There weren't a lot of people around and a lot of wide open spaces, which was fantastic. So Rick, again, Valerie and I want to thank you so much for your time. We enjoyed that so much. We're going to enjoy getting together again. We're looking forward to seeing you at the event in New York City coming up on the 23rd. That should be fun. And I'm looking forward to hopefully getting together again with you soon, be able to do some more flying. Got some great areas down here. Got some couple of places that scoped out that I think you'd really enjoy. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying!